Hey Jessica, I think you should be very proud of this paper as it is excellent. There's only very few things that I see. We'll start here. You don't want to capitalize everything, so that's really minor. And then you don't need this long website like this because it makes it look kind of sloppy where it goes on to different lines. And then your spacing seems a little different, a little further apart than it does up here. That's super minor because overall you have it all down and what you have is really good. And I don't have any issues with your paper. I love the organization. I love the direction you went with it, with your conclusion and kind of having that extra point, putting that extra point in there. Your grammar is great. Your organization is great. And I love how you varied up how you use your sources. I noticed on one, I think, and it's really minor, probably an oversight. One, when you use the name of a article in a sentence, you would shorten it. So in the article, you know, suck it up, ... end quote, just so it's not so long. Like you did here, you would do that in the sentence. And then and you indented too far over here. I'm sure that was an oversight. It's not even something I'm taking off for because this paper is excellent. Just something to be aware. And then there was one source where you didn't capitalize the other words, and it was only once. It was in the very beginning. And this is it's just you're just indenting a little too far over. If I don't find it quickly, I won't spend a lot of time. But it was just one source, one time. Right here, right, very first sentence, the O would be capitalized. And then this is a little confusing where you say David Barnes states, and then you put Hayden here. So this one's a little bit confusing here. So I would have just maybe taken this out, or if this is the person who says it, put it here, or just put paragraph number here. So but overall, I think this is a very good paper. You should be very proud of this paper. I love your topic. It's the first time I've ever seen this topic. And so you are done with the hardest part of this class, my dear. And I think you should find the rest of the semester a lot easier than this. And so if you have any questions, let me know.